Hi, everyone. Welcome to our productivity crash course of project management strategies for leaders. I'd like to welcome back Helene Segura, who did a beautiful job of talking to us about time management last month, and we're excited to have her back to talk about project management.
I've got a quick story about a marketing firm I was working with, and they're really gung-ho and they were known for their ideas. And I heard a lot of, we move fast around here, or we do a lot of juggling around here, or it's go time all the time. So I was quite used to hearing those types of things. The problem was that they had really exciting ideas, but so many times their ideas either came to a crashing halt, or they had to completely shift gears, or they suffered from delays. And no matter which one of these cases happened, it resulted in lost time, lost resources, lower morale from things always not going the way they wanted it to, and also a higher burnout from folks trying to work around the clock to fix everything that was going wrong. And of course, all of those things can lead to lower profits. So the key for them became, how can they take this wealth of ideas that they have and figure out exactly how some of those ideas can fit into their company workings and their mission and their goals, and then pick those top few ideas to concentrate on and map out the plan as much as possible to account for anything that might possibly happen. And so that way they can truly accomplish their goals in the way that they want to, as well as in the time frame that they want to. And that is what project management is supposed to be. And so what we're going to be doing today is concentrating on very high level of project management. In your Zoom chat box, what I would like for you to do is first establish the definition of what a project is. So in your view, what do you think is a project? What would qualify for applying project management to something? Executing an idea from start to finish, great. Every new initiative, a multifaceted task, yes, multiple steps. And Michelle, I have a twist on your definition, and this is coming from PMI, the Project Management Institute, where they define a project as a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a new product, service, or result. So in other words, it has a beginning and it has an end. It's definitely a new initiative, but it is a temporary initiative. If a new initiative is something that's going to be permanent, then that is what would turn into what we call a policy or a procedure or a part of the SOPs. So when we talk about a project and project management, we're talking about something with multiple steps. Sometimes it has multiple people. It doesn't always though. Sometimes it can be a solo project, and it has a beginning and has an end. It doesn't go on forever and ever and ever. So that is the definition of project that we're going to be using today. Now, there are 4 overall components of project management. When you filter through to its core and you look at all of the principles and all of the steps involved, at the most basic level, you can say that project management first starts with ideas. Then it moves on to the second component, which is planning. Once you've done the planning, then you're doing 2 components simultaneously, and that is implementing and also communicating. When there is an issue with a project, it usually goes back to the fact that not enough planning was done. And during the implementation process, there is a gap in communication. We're going to be looking at these 4 components today to examine what are best practices, as well as what are some common roadblocks or challenges. That way you're aware of it and you can avoid it by applying these project management principles.